Mike is back with another video. Today we're gonna take a look at Alpine speakers. As you can see, I did the review about the Alpine speakers. I installed on my Fusion the 4 Alpine speakers, 2 tweeters, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the distance test and the play, clarity, all that stuff, right? Reason why I'm doing is I'm gonna drop my Fusion back and I'm gonna bring my Tahoe and I'm gonna show you how the JBL Stadium it works. I installed on the both vehicle. On this one is the Alpine on the 4 doors. All right, and the 2 tweeters and the on the Tahoe I installed the JBLs, right? So I'm gonna play it at the same place at the same time, same music. So you're gonna tell me how's the both vehicles when it's performing and which speakers you like better, and I will keep changing with the different ones. So let's take a look. What is that? So 6.5 on the front right here. So 6.5 on the back door here. Those are Alpines. This is the components with the tweeters, right? So we have a tweeters here on this stock place. I just utilize the stock bracket, so it's gonna be exactly the same place. But Alpine is the 4, only the 6. On the middle I have also the speakers. I didn't touch that. And on the back I have a 2 6x9. On the back I have a 2 6x9s here. On the middle also is like a speaker. I didn't touch them. These 2 6x9s are subwoofers, right? So maybe later on I'm gonna, if I find how to cut the subwoofer, the filter, I will put the Alpine 6x9s there, so it's gonna be even louder. This vehicle has a Sony upgraded sound system, separate amplifier. That's why you can go with the Alpine Type S. And we're gonna play now the sound quality, and you're gonna see it like difference, right? Let's do it. All right, as you can see, a little windy day, and of course you're gonna do the sound denting and install the foam around the speaker, so it's gonna be the audio, it's gonna be projection a lot nicer. This is a busy highway, that's why the microphone is gonna be just compensate all the noise and the wind also. But we're gonna see how it came up after I upload the video, right? Definitely watch my other videos, guys, when I install on my F-150 4J Infinity Capas with the amplifier, aftermarket amplifier, all the full setup with the subwoofers, right? That one is going to be sounding like a next level. And my Tahoe, of course, is going to be sounds better than the Alpines, because just a vehicle, the volume, the doors, all that stuff, right? And the speaker itself. And the Tahoe also, I have a more powerful amplifiers, the stock amplifiers. That's why they rock and roll those JBLs like no tomorrow, right? The next video, it's gonna be Tahoe, exactly same place, the same music. So comment below, guys, how this came up, how's the sound quality, all that stuff. If it's enough for you, or you're gonna do something different, add more amplifier. Of course, if you change the amplifier, stock amplifier, it's gonna be even better, it's gonna be louder. But this is more than enough for us, like a 80% guys, like only 20% like me that bass hate all that stuff. We're gonna keep changing. I'm gonna replace all the speakers again for the difference, like a more expensive one, to show you guys how those expensive speakers will compete with the Alpine Type S. But the Alpine Type S, for now, it's really good speaker for the price you guys paying. I put all the links on descriptions, and you can watch my other videos here with the Tahoe, with the F-150, whatever is the place I put it. And if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe it. I will do a lot of car audios, car videos, car reviews, something like this, right? I'm out. Also in the next video, guys.